Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do an installation of the openMSX. Also here you can download the latest version. This is still updated very recently, August 30, 2023. So that's pretty new. Keep that up, openMSX. Next, we're gonna install that one. This one also has an installer. I'm not sure if this one will behave. Let's hope so. We first copy it here. Now we'll install. Next, do we also want codecs for viewing movies generated by openMSX? Yes. Go next. We can't browse to change our destination. We'll do next, back, and now we can change it. We say emulators openMSX. Okay, so now we have two MSXs in the same folder, openMSX and blueMSX. Microsoft will ask for permission to install. Yes. And finish. First, we'll have to start her up and we'll just look for the word catapults. Catapult. We type it in our search bar here. This is the first time we started, so it has no machines configured or found on the system. So it's going to check the software configurations. And after this, we're going to do it again because we are going to add some more machines later on. But first, I want openMSX to create some folders in my documents. Here we go. This takes a while. Just let it run. You will find some working machines. After searching all the machines, he will start looking for extensions. And extensions are added into the installer for openMSX, so he will find a lot of extensions. After this process, we're going to add the systemroms. And the systemroms you have to download yourself. I'm not going to show them where you can find them. You just go to duckduckgo.com or yandex.com or google.com and search systemroms. That's all, and you'll find them. Done. This will be our main startup screen if we want to open and start playing games with the openMSX emulator. We can test the game. First, we need the machine. Well, we only have C BIOS machines and the Sega SG-1000. It can also simulate that. Let's choose MSX2 and just look for a cartridge. We have a cartridge in our desktops. And it has to be a ROM. C BIOSes can only load ROMs. So let's say, I don't know, Mr. Ghost. Then we'll do start. Yes, it works. openMSX still hasn't any machines. We have to add the machines to a specific folder
located in c:/users/username/documents/openMSX, or just click on Documents.
Okay, here we have folder openMSX. Then we have share, and inside share
we have a folder called systemroms, and we
can add 3 folders.
Now we go back to our downloads, open systemroms.zip with WinRAR.
Close this one.
We copy the systemroms folder over the current one in the share folder.
So we do openMSX, share. Okay. You see, now we have a folder called systemroms.
Inside we have extensions, machines, and MISC.
We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to add a shortcut first. First, we want Catapult. So we have catapults, bin catapults. If I'm going too fast, say it. It says catapult when we're gonna call it openMSX anyway. You can see it changes into a penguin with a catapult. Now we'll open it again. We're gonna do that same check again. I think test MSX hardware. Yes. Okay, now he finds all these machines. The number of working machines increases enormously. The system ROMs I found were from 2019. So you may say, 4 years old, that's pretty old. Yeah, but it's got a lot of machines. Done. Okay. What have we added? Now, we've added this. First, we only had the C biases. Now we have some extras, boosted MSXs and a boosted MSX Turbo R with IDE and some more stuff. A whole Canon, Casio, the MX-10, Daewoo, MSXs, and so on. Mitsubishi, National, Panasonic, of course, Philips, Sanjo, Sony, Sharp, Spectra Video, those are also nice. Toshibas, Yamahas. Well, can't get more Japanese than this. Well, that's it for this video. This is how you install openMSX. From here on, we go on with our story and we'll get to a point where we can link the blueMSX and openMSX together with some nice configurations. Until next time!